Southern Railfan is the place for amazing videos of all types of trains. Southern Railfan, subscribe today.
Okie doke, this is the second video posting for today. I guess you've already noticed that. I wasn't going to film anything tonight because I thought bad weather was going to be on the way, but it is south of me. Check that out back there. I don't know if you can really tell on video, but that's kind of boogery looking. So I wasn't going to do anything, and then Thomas Pittman sent out the bat signal that Q694 would be running during the daylight and has just left Bostic. So I grabbed keys to the old Train Tracker 2000, got some money from my wife for a moon pie and an RC Cola, and set out for Jacktown. And we're here now, so we'll hang out and wait on that Q694. Alrighty, sweet. Tomorrow, hopefully, if the weather works out and timing works out, there's a southbound ethanol train with a CP and a Union Pacific, Canadian Pacific and a Union Pacific locomotive on it that didn't take it off at Russell. So hopefully we can catch it. Thanks you guys for watching.